Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. J.D. Mukherjee. I'm the Principal Director and Head of Neurology at Max Healthcare. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the effect of pandemic on neurological disorders, particularly on seizures. This pandemic has caused havoc in our lives. It has upset all kinds of people from all cross sections of the society. But people who were having a previous neurological illness, they have gone through the worst of their times. Now, before I proceed further, I would like to tell you how COVID can affect neurological disorders or cause neurological disorders. Now, as we are seeing more and more of COVID patients, we are realizing that COVID can cause entire gambit of neurological disorders. Now, what are the neurological disorders that COVID is causing? Let me name some of them to you. It can cause muscle and nerve weakness. It can cause stroke. It can cause seizures. It can cause paralysis. It can make you unconscious, and so on and so forth. It can also manifest with psychiatric symptoms like confusion, disorientation, delusions, hallucinations, etc. Now, to go further, can COVID cause seizures? Can COVID cause neurological disorders directly? No, it does it through another process. For example, strokes happen because of hypercoagulability. That means because the blood tends to become thick. Similarly, seizures occur when the brain is damaged or was previously damaged by the COVID-19 processes like infection, inflammation, or a demyelination, or there is a focus which is there in the brain. Now, what happens when a patient gets seizure during COVID times? First, he doesn't get quick access to medical care. So there has to be some system which the patient and the caretakers have to develop. What is this system? A, to give first aid. How do we give first aid to a patient with seizures? Turn the patient to one side. It can be either side. And then wait for the seizures to subside. Most of the seizures subside on their own. They are self-limited, and therefore we don't have to do any intervention to reduce the seizures. Now, some people put their fingers in the mouth, put spoons in the mouth, and some even make you smell a old shoe. All this is not required. It can actually be counterproductive. Yes, if the seizure happens again and again, if 2 or 3 seizures happen without recovery, then it calls for medical help. And what is the medical help? Go to your nearest hospital. The doctors are competent and they will diagnose it correctly, and they will give you intravenous injections to control the seizures. Otherwise, your regular doctor may have also given you some nasal spray which can be sprayed into the nostril, each nostril, 5 doses or 2 doses or 3 doses depending on your weight, to control the seizures. Now, we need not panic about it. We need not worry about it. Seizures or strokes or encephalopathy, and now lately mucormycosis, all of this can be controlled with appropriate and adequate medication. My, therefore, humble submission and recommendation is, do not get worried. Be brave. Be confident. Most of these disorders, most of these diseases which are related to the COVID-19, particularly the neurological complications, can be corrected, reverted, and controlled with appropriate medication. Thank you very much.